Let me show you how to use voice controls on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 Pro. So one of my favorite features on the Buds is that we can actually control them and do everything without even touching them. So if you have something in your hands, if you're walking somewhere, again you do not have to touch them, you can simply ask it to do various things. But first, make sure they are obviously connected to your phone. And then if you have a Samsung phone, you simply go over here in settings and you can open them up here. So if you have a non-Samsung phone, make sure to download the Galaxy wearable app and install that to gain access to these controls. And you see, go over here in the voice controls and make sure the voice commands are enabled here. And also, for example, you can select the language. So these are the language it will work in. Okay, and these are the commands that you can use. So for example, start playing the song, play music, stop music. So you simply say this. Volume up, volume down. If someone calls you, answer call, reject call. So very easy. So for example, let's test this. And also obviously you need to have them in your ears for this to work. So for example, I will simply say play music. And you see it starts to play. Stop music. Stop music. So you see it kind of also stops it. And also, for example, we can increase or decrease the volume as well by simply saying volume up, volume up, volume up, volume up, volume down, volume down, volume down. So you see how it increases or decreases the volume as well. Also, for example, we can say next song. Next song. Okay. Also, we can say previous song. Next song. So you see how you can actually switch between the different songs. And if someone calls you, you would simply say answer call or also reject call. And these actually work very decent in my opinion. In my opinion, these voice controls are even more reliable than the touch control, at least for the volume up and volume down. So personally, I find the touch area basically kind of very bad on these. So it often doesn't respond when you touch it to increase or decrease the volume. So again, I find the best if you simply say it, and then again, it works much better, more reliably on these. Good luck.